Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man. Tuning in for another one. Finna get ready to fire this grill. As you can tell, or maybe you can't tell, trying out this microphone suggested by Swaps. I think it works really, really well. Honestly, I have been looking into like a wireless solution. Unfortunately, for cameras, full-size cameras, the wireless mics are a whole lot more expensive. However, with this one, I feel like it is very, very, very good alternative versus you know, the $100, $200, $300 you're gonna pay for some wireless mics on Amazon, eBay, etc., etc. Especially if you're may or may not be using it that much. It's pretty windy out here today. It looks like it's shaking the camera, but yeah, so it's windy enough to where it knocked the camera off the thing. Way to go. So durability test, if it's still recording or if the sound is still transmitting, then we just did a drop test. But yeah, I'm gonna go off in the backyard, man. Get this grill fired up. Nice, bright, sunny day, Memorial Day weekend, and go from there. Yeah. Something going on with my gate. I'm gonna have to take a look into it. So let me sit y'all right here. Hopefully it don't fall again. If it do, then I guess y'all will be the first to know. So first step when I'm using or getting ready to barbecue, I use charcoal chimneys. I do not use lighter fluid. Stuff everywhere. So you pour your charcoal in there. Like I said, we're doing like a real quick burn today. Get your fire starters. You're gonna light these on fire under the so you're gonna catch a corner on fire. I need to be out the wind, so I apologize for y'all not being able to see it. But yeah, just like that, it's gonna go up and do its thing. Come on. This second one want to be difficult. Trying to cheat off this other one. but it ain't enough to get it going. Come on, baby. I do not want to light, man. If they do not want to cooperate, good thing this is about the. Good thing this is a review about the microphone and not lighting this damn fire. Shit. Hold on, I think I got another lighter. That'd probably be a better one. There you go. This wind is not cooperating. Alright, so I'm finna try something else. I'm gonna take this brick, put it on top of the other brick, then knock it over to the other brick, and then hopefully they'll both be lit. Here goes nothing. There we go. There we go. And now that second brick is on the way. And yeah, good times. With this windy day, man, it really gives me an opportunity to see exactly the noise cancellation, if any. Also, the I don't know if we necessarily need to do the range or anything, but that'd be dope. I got a pretty big backyard. Right now I'm not that far, but you can see like everything here. Shout out to Swaps. For, like I said, he the one that discovered it, put it on my radar, and I had to grab it, man. So shout out to Swaps for that. And that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, man. Just shout out to Swaps, and if you want to get away from the camera or want your audience to still be able to hear you, I definitely recommend getting the microphone. Gone. Oh, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.